Recording. Eric, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Erik. Happy birthday.
How to do it?
Rip it.
Just
Here,
rip
you
it.
can
Just
hear
rip
it.
it.
Rip it.
Stick your fingers in here and just pull.
Get messy.
You can
Rip it.
rip it.
Hard.
Rip it.
It won't hurt it.
His face.
Lord.
We're gonna throw the paper away anyway.
Yeah.
What is it?
Rip it really hard.
There you
go.
Wow, it's mine.
Rip it.
It's
mine.
What is it?
Keep going.
Oh. Here, let's turn it.
Keep pulling.
What is it?
It's
Wow.
What is it?
Go.
It's mine.
What is it?
Say it.
Is it a monster truck?
Oh well, Humvee. Good thing I don't get paid to do that.
Wow, and it comes apart. You can actually tear apart something that's supposed to be torn apart.
Probably.
Say thank you, Ashton.
Happy birthday, Eric.
I want this. No.
The whole thing.
Okay, I'll hold this while you're opening that. Okay.
Yeah, Daddy can help.
Shayla can help.
Yeah, Shayla will help you.
What is it?
Come
I
on.
want Grandpa.
Use your muscles.
What is that?
Wow.
What is it?
I don't know.
You don't know?
It's a bug watching kit. So you can catch butterflies and watch them.
It's for catching bugs. Is that cool?
Cameron and Ryan love those.
You don't.
She's like
Okay.
her grandma.
Want another one?
Is she like her grandma?
No.
I don't like spiders.
Flies, cockroach.
She's not scared of them anymore.
Yeah, because I got her to start killing them. But
About Eric.
good thing I don't get paid to do that, that's for sure.
I remember when I did it.
That's
It's
right.
a new fishing pole.
New fishing pole.
And there's fishies in there.
What is that?
Fishy.
It's a fishing game. We can.
Now let's open another present.
Okay.
How we say that?
I know, that one's tricky. I put lots of extra wrapping paper on there.
Now, you just said a lot of things.
Let's turn it around.
There you go. Rip it.
Mama had it tastes too good, I think.
What is it?
I don't know. It's a box.
In the box.
Okay, you pull it.
Okay.
What's in there?
It's something.
Something.
You take that down too hard.
What is it?
Mom didn't want it to get away.
No.
Wow.
What is it?
Ooh.
What are those?
Ooh, this microphone.
Yeah, look at the clothes.
What is that?
Hockey.
Can you-
I'll tell you officially.
Can
You
you?
have pictures of Riley at Christmas time.
Hey.
Hey.
You got walkie-talkies? We can play with those later.
And 9 volt or...
I don't know.
I think
You're not
it's
done.
play.
You got one more.
You got another one.
And I kind of tied it.
Now you have to.
I tied it.
Like, so it's like title or close,
Yeah.
not like pull the rope.
No.
Okay. Yeah, you got another present. I might have to sneak this. It's really tight. There we go.
Range, wow.
I tried not to.
Okay.
Yeah,
There you go.
those pretty impressive. They were good. They were cheaper than like the little kids
You
ones.
got a card.
Like,
The
yeah.
card.
What is that?
Oh, we're not new. Stories.
Look, who is that? Eric, who is that?
Oh, that cat in the hat.
And what's that one? Fox and Socks. You don't have that one.
I hope you
Cool.
don't have any.
No, he doesn't have any of those.
Good.
What can you say, dinosaur?
I
Who's
love
on that one?
lipstick you gave me.
Who is that?
Oh.
Who is?
She doesn't have any Dr. Seuss.
Who is that?
Dr. Seuss is fun.
Yeah.
I like Mercer Mayer.
It's Fox and Socks by...
Everything Mercer Mayer.
What is that?
Really
That's the
close.
one I used a lot.
Eric, you have cards.
Where are you going?
You gotta,
You gotta use your cards.
there's something in the cards.
You're free. Who is that?
Here you go.
Yeah.
Gotta look inside.
Did you read the back of that 10-mile range?
Turn it this way.
That's if you're in the mountains and trying to call somebody down in the
Okay,
valley.
birthday
Yeah.
is non-stop
Oh.
adventure just like you. Happy
In
birthday,
an area like
Eric.
this, it's 3/4 of
What
a
is
mile.
that?
Well, leave quickly on you.
I will use it from like the bedroom to the living room. So.
Yeah, exactly. But I'm just saying,
Yeah.
that's kind of deceiving. I was trying to...
Okay.
Oh, okay. Really.
You're welcome.
Eric.
AAA.
Eric.
Danny helped me take it out, because I forgot to
Sure,
get the
you can play
card.
that way.
Hey,
You
Eric.
have to look at the
Eric.
exact right angle.
Eric. Eric, look at me. Look at me. Happy birthday. You're going to play with that?
See how hard it is concentrating.
Here, I gotta open it.
All right, that's enough.
You need Uncle Stephen here.
Why?
He's our designated
Good.
toy unwrapper with all the little wire
Oh,
ties.
Oh, yeah.
Tickle-proof bubbles, too. Ooh.
First thing goes there.
That's cool.
Oh, it's so hot. Hold on, just close it.
Happy birthday, Eric.
You say thank you. It says happy birthday.
How old are you?
3 years.
3 years.
3 years.
3 years?
Yeah, 3 years.
What is that?
Ooh, you have to put him together.
Okay. Hi,
If you ask
Shayla.
really nice, maybe Uncle Ashton will help you put it together.
Whoa.
Now he's really gonna have to put it
Okay,
together.
yeah.
Because it's
You know what?
Okay.